To those I may have hurt, please know that I am deeply sorry. I did not mean to insult. I only meant to explain. And sometimes when words are sharp, they cut deeper than intended. So I ask with all humility that you find it in your heart to forgive. Kanang mga gipangkuan nga bayad ko, kanang gipalit daw ko, it is not true. Kay balo mo nganong nidagan ko pagka-congressman, kay gikontrahan ko ni Martin Romualdez. Ang nisaka sa akong kamot, sa akong kandidatura, si Tatay Digong o si Sara Duterte. Ang pamilya Duterte, gi-welcome ko pag-ayo sa Davao. Ako usa ka tawo nga mutan-aw og utang buot. Gidala ko sa balay og studio ni Mayor Baste. Ingon ana ko kapinangga ngadto niya. I will never betray that family. Di man ko DDS, di po ko pinklawan. For the many years I have been in government, di man mi pwedeng magpartido. So wa ko'y partido. I work as an independent person, being treasurer. Because as treasurer, you cannot play politics. It's not allowed. It's prohibited. It's illegal. And that is why, katong nakadawat ko sa suwat nga, papahwaon ko sa Mandaue ni Martin Romualdez, ang akong nahibungan nga numan, kamaayo na kong performance sa Mandaue. I made Mandaue the only city outside Metro Manila to be part of the top 5 richest cities. And then, manong papahawaan man ko? Forgive the tone. Forgive my tone. Forgive the phrasing. Forgive the imperfections of a person who speaks not from malice, but from passion. Sa kadaghan na akong gipagawas nga POV, over siguro 99% was leaning to Duterte. But that POV, I admit, it might be off. Because that was the decision. It's off. And I would have wanted to educate you so that we can change the strategy already. Kagibalibara na tag-interim release, naata sa appeals court ron. And I hope nga naa sa appeals court atong tarungon ni, kay para in town matagaan siya og temporary liberty. Kay hinaot untang makapamasko dinis Tatay Digong sa Pilipinas. Because just like you, I only want truth. I only want justice. And today, I stand here not to divide, but to reflect. Let's not divide ourselves. Pareho taog tumong hustisya. I hope that we can unite our knowledge and we can learn together. Para ni kay Tatay Digong, para sa Duterte family. And for every Filipino who still believes that justice, though slow, always finds its way home. Because in the end, ang balaod, bisan usahay abusahan, mubalik gyud aron ipagtanggol ang giapi. Akong balikon. Ang balaod, bisan usahay, abusahan, aning administrasyon, kung giunsa ni nila pagdakop o pagkidnap si Duterte, mubalik gyud na aron ipagtanggol ang giapi. And that is my belief, that's my justice, that's my truth. One step back 2 steps forward. I always think that way. Murag sinulog ba? Murag sayag sinulog, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. Because that is how we rise, not with anger but with wisdom. Not with vengeance but with vision. And that's how justice, real and relentless, that is how justice, real and relentless, will set us free. Daghang salamat sa inyong oras. Ay, wala na ko'y masturya. Okay ra gyud. Magkita-kita na punta. But I will continue my advocacy. And if you do not like my advocacy, ayaw na lamog tanaw. Okay raman. Naramang gihapoy uban nga kailangan ana nga maka-learn sila sa balaod. Daghang salamat. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Another day. Another regal POV.